How to fix mouse disappeared on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If your cursor is missing, here is the perfect tutorial. So first of all, you need to use your keyboard and type or press in Windows plus X. Here you will see a list of options, and from here click on the down arrow to go to Device Manager. Then hit Enter. After this, you will get a box to give permission to Device Manager. Use the arrow key to go to Yes and then Enter. Once the Device Manager is open, to select any option, click on the option called as Tab. Click on Tab until it reaches to the first option. Again, use Tab to go to the option called as Mice and other pointing devices. If you click on Enter, it will open its properties, but again you have to click on Tab to open its subsection. Now hit the Enter button and it will open the settings. Click on Tab until you reach to the first solution, that is General Box, and then click on Tab again to go to Driver. Tapping on Tab or going the down arrow, you have to go to Uninstall Device and hit OK. Once this is done, it will uninstall your driver and reinstall it in a few seconds. And this way, your issue should be fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.